In this video, I'll show you how to transfer GCredit to your GCash wallet. The first thing to know is that you can't directly transfer GCredit to your GCash wallet balance. GCash's official help pages describe GCredit as a credit line you can use to pay GCash merchants, bills, G-Insure, G-Life, and online purchases, not as cash that you can move into your wallet. So if you're looking for a button that converts your GCredit limit into wallet funds, that option is not part of the normal GCredit use. Instead, GCredit works as a payment method during checkout. For example, when you pay a supported merchant or biller, you can choose GCredit and complete the transaction from your credit limit. GCash also says you can enable GCredit as a backup for Google Play or the App Store if your main payment method fails because of insufficient balance. To do that, open Borrow, tap GCredit, then go to Online Payment Settings and enable GCredit as backup. So again, you cannot transfer GCredit to your GCash wallet. You can only use GCredit directly as a payment option for supported purchases and services inside GCash or at supported online merchants. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.